It's moving day again, and I wanted to share the day with you all. So I used Piece of Cake and was excited to see the bright pink van pull up. Alex and Bright were my movers for the day, and they came in and got right to work, starting with the heavier items and wrapping them carefully. In the meantime, I was trying to catch up on the last bit of packing, label boxes, and have them neatly stacked. They meticulously handled my dishware, giving fragile items special attention, while I got to finish my breakfast, take some pics by the van, and be stress-free. They began loaded in such a short time, and even my neighbor's puppies were having a view of the commotion. Almost done with the last set of boxes, and they were off to the new place. I was running behind, but they were patient and swiftly unloaded and helped with placement of items in the new layout, and took care of the empty boxes as well. I was amazed at the professionalism and quality, so I extended my gratitude for making this the smoothest move day ever. If you have a move coming up, definitely check out Piece of Cake.